Today's video, we're going to fire up the 1951 Ford. What is this model? It's a Crestline Victoria.
It's a Fairlane.
What do they call this thing? Yeah, it's a Vicky.
Yeah.
It's a 1951 Ford Victoria with the 239-inch flathead. This was our V8 Showdown race car for last year, and I haven't started it since. So I thought let's fire it up. I wanted to put the stock wheels and tires back on it, so we got to move it out anyway. So any excuse to fire it up. Let's see how it goes. There.
Is there a rod here?
Oh, there's a rod right there.
Right here.
Oh yeah. Okay. Say whoop. Okay, there we go.
Does the horn work?
I don't know. I don't think anything works. I don't even know if the engine works.
Sure, you had it running. Huh?
Let's see if it'll go. You know what? I even have keys for this car. Can you believe it? I have the original key for this car.
The other day here I was trying to start a lawnmower, and a while back I bought a can of this ether. It said you could use it either on gas or
diesel.
or diesel, eh? And I wasn't getting no firing at all, eh? You know. So I pulled the plug and just give it a little squirt in there, put the plug back in, just kaboom! It took off.
Right off.
Yeah, and that's the handiest thing. It comes in a little squirt bottle, eh? You want to prime it?
Oh yeah. Okay, ready?
Yep.
Oh.
Poof.
Yeah. Ready?
Yep.
Whoa! Whoa! Shut her off!
Oh, that's right. We forgot about the oil thing. Damn it.
What, are you changing oil here? That's running good, huh?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah. Better than forklift.
Everything's better than the forklift. Well, that's not terrible. The clicking is the voltage regulator because it wants to have a 6-volt battery.
Oh, yeah.
Actually running okay.
brakes on that. You're a little farther back than you were, but
Was lucky not to crash.
yeah.
That went
Pretty
about
good.
as well as you could hope, really, for
Better.
something that.
Better than I thought.
Yeah. I don't know why it's warm though.
I mean, it's running hot.
Well, no, it's not. Fairly well. Okay, it's just the gauge. The gauge shows it's hot, but might not even be hooked up. I don't know.
It's pretty hot. Here.
Yeah, but it's
This-
not boiling. So
Oh
whatever.
no.
No, it's fine. Hey,
Is
that's actually pretty
No.
impressive.
no thermostat in it?
No. A reasonably successful test drive. Thanks so much for watching. See you in a couple days. 51 Ford Victoria. Still sort of runs. It's a regular contributor.
Same old shit.